In the late 1850s, near the village of Venta in southern Mexico, a farmer was clearing land when he discovered a dome-shaped rock. He dug out the land to find a nearly 6-foot-tall stone sculpture of a head. Writing on the back of the head later indicated that it was fashioned in 32 BCE. This unnamed and now forgotten farmer had found the first evidence of the mysterious Olmec culture. About 1800 years before the Common Era, the Olmecs first appeared in the densely forested land near the Gulf Coast of southern Mexico. Their population grew as Olmec farmers learned to produce more food. They planted squash, tomatoes, and peppers, but their primary crop was corn. The dense jungle was home to the first advanced civilizations of Mesoamerica. The Olmecs studied astronomy and developed a system of writing and mathematics. They were the first Mesoamerican culture to build pyramids. Their calendar and religious beliefs appear to have influenced later cultures. In fact, many scholars call the Olmecs the mother culture of Mesoamerica. Archaeologists have since uncovered a total of 17 colossal heads, the latest found in 1994. The largest of the heads is more than 11 feet tall, and they range in weight from 6 to nearly 50 tons. All of the heads are realistic portraits of men. Some of the heads are smiling, while others look calm or angry. All of the heads are wearing what appear to be helmets. Some archaeologists have suggested that the sculptures represent Olmec rulers who played a ceremonial ball game. We don't know much about Olmec ball games, but archaeologists have found evidence of courts for playing and stadiums for watching these games throughout the region. The games appear to have been played with a solid rubber ball and seem to require great skill. Some evidence suggests that the game was played as part of a religious ceremony. The Olmecs lived in a swampy region with no natural rocks. The basalt stone used to make the heads apparently came from mountains more than 100 miles away. Olmec workers somehow transported the stone through dense jungles and across major rivers without the use of the wheel. The Olmecs produced 2 impressive cities that rose and fell in succession. The first, now called San Lorenzo, grew to occupy nearly 3 square miles. Then, about 1200 BCE, San Lorenzo was mysteriously abandoned. At about the same time, a bigger city grew near present-day Venta. Venta too was destroyed about 350 BCE, but again, we don't know why. The archaeological evidence suggests that the population of the region suddenly declined. The Olmecs lived in one of the wettest regions of Mesoamerica, so after their culture retreated, it did not take long for the jungle to reclaim the land. We don't know if the Olmecs evolved into other cultures, or if they left or died out. 200 years ago, the Egyptian civilization was equally mysterious. But in 1823, Champollion deciphered their hieroglyphic writing. Likewise, archaeologists have made great advances in understanding the history of Mesoamerica in the last few years. So, it is possible that the mystery of the Olmecs and other civilizations of the region will soon be explained.